Trouble, you know, nice and controlled out there today.
Yep.
All right.
Felt good. I mean, like my coach and I have been talking. We want to, you know, I want to make the team. So we want to simulate the event that I make the team, what it would be like in London. You know, I was at Daegu last year. The rounds aren't slow. So, you know, our strategy is just to feel it out, do it how you do it, and then just shut down the last 200. That's exactly what I did, and it feels great. So.
And there's no anxiousness, feeling like you're using too much. I mean, you felt
no way. No, I've been here before. I've done that. Last year at Daegu, it was 59, 58, 57. And this was my only time last year. Practiced it, did the same sort of thing. 2 minutes, 59, 58 last year. So, you know, just basically trying to get the same sort of mentality going on.
I think you're out in 55 today. Was that a little faster than you thought? No, that's.
Nope. It felt great. It was, I never am going for a time. Not like, oh, I got to go for 4:25. Just run. It's like almost like a hit play. You know, at practice I do the work, so, you know.
All right, talk about how you are mentally right now. I mean,
I'm feeling super duper good. I mean, I just feel like I'm excited to be here. Curbing enthusiasm, taking it one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, actually. Just to soak it all in and to just really appreciate being here and not let it be one of those moments that kind of pass you by because you're like too big for it or something.
So what do you do between now and Monday?
Play The Sims, play FIFA 12, video games, you know that. My husband stocked it up, so super excited maybe to go watch a movie, but relax. Stay out of, you know, the whole track world.
Are you wearing a bright color today for the flower because it's a dreary day and you want to...
Yeah, that.
Is that the same as yesterday?
It is, yeah.
Same, okay.
Yep.
Lucky flower now, huh?
Yeah.
No?
I don't really believe in luck, but...
all right, thanks a lot. Best of luck.